See students, last period we discussed some important aspects of disaster. We categorize disaster into emergency phase, rehabilitation phase, recovery phase, reconstruction phase and all that. Today we'll continue further. It's like this, that planet Earth has been experiencing disasters since several years. These disasters have mainly been occurred or redempted. म्हणजे the redemption has been taken place generally in the Asiatic continents, that is where we live. India is one of it. The disasters have mainly occurred in the Asiatic continents and the areas of Pacific Oceans. Okay, so here main disasters have been occurred, causing huge huge loss to life and earth as well. Okay, these are the main points of disasters. One thing, why this has happened, why disasters particularly have occurred in Asiatic continent and Pacific Ocean, it's only because of the economic greed of human beings. Human beings, in greed of money, in greed of progress, in greed of business, they have harmed nature. And Asia is highly populated continent. Among all the 7 continents, highly populated continent is Asia, followed by the other continents. Okay, this is the thing here. I'll repeat, Mother Earth has been facing disasters. These disasters have occurred especially in Asiatic continent and in the Pacific Oceans, areas of Pacific Ocean, which has caused huge loss to life. Property to chodo, properties human beings have made. It has caused huge loss to life as well as earth, and this has mainly occurred due to the economic greed of human beings. That's it. This is one paragraph. Next, students, what has happened is, nowadays what happens, the problems of several years have become a burden now, have ended to extreme end. Several years पासून जो विषय होता, problem होता, old age problems have met an extreme end. Meaning, population, increase in the population and its ever increasing and emerging demands have caused a huge impact on disaster. One. Second, students, let me clear here. First is ever increasing population and its demand. Due to increasing population and various demands of the increasing population are the main aspects of disaster. One. Next point is that increase in population, especially after World War II. Students, World War II पर्यंत असे बॉर्डर्स मध्ये टेन्शन, लाईक आता इंडिया आणि चायनाचे कसे आता टेन्शन्स क्रिएट झाले, तसे बॉर्डर मध्ये टेन्शन्स नव्हते. ओनली आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वॉर टू देर हॅज बीन lot of indiscrimination regarding religious and racial differences. धर्म, रेस म्हणजे ह्युमन रेस, लाईक वी आर इंडियन्स, इंडियन्सची एक रेस येते, नंतर चायनीज आणि जॅपनीजचे चेहरे बघितले की त्यांची एक रेस येते, फॉरेनर्सची एक रेस येते, अँड देन वी हॅव द निग्रोस ज्यांची एक रेस येते. सो रेसिझम अँड रिलिजियस इनडिफरन्सेस, there is economic instability. Particularly wealth has been concentrated in the hands of rich people, some very few rich people of the country, and remaining all have been remained as it is. One thing, so there has been economic instability, there have been social and racial and religious differences. तुम्हाला रिलीजियसच्या बद्दल सांगायचीच गरज नाही, आपल्या इंडियामध्येच किती प्रॉब्लेम्स होतात रिगार्डिंग द रिलिजन्स अँड ऑल दॅट. Next, we have social, then there is even the instability regarding social differences. Social differences म्हणजे प्रत्येक स्टेटमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात, लाईक शेअरिंग ऑफ वॉटर, शेअरिंग ऑफ आता मायग्रेशन ऑफ लेबरर्स अँड ऑल दॅट, हे सोशल इनडिफरन्सेस आहेत. दिस इज वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज, स्टुडंट्स, एक पॉइंट सांगतो तुम्हाला, सम केमिकल्स विच आर व्हेरी हार्मफुल टू ह्युमन रेस, rather which will destroy the human race to total extent, have been banned in developed countries. Developed countries include USA, Germany, France, Italy and all that. But production of such chemicals or similar ones have been ever increasing in demand, particularly in the developing countries as well as in poor countries. Poor countries include भूटान, अफगाणिस्तान अँड ऑल हे पुअर कंट्रीज, अँड डेव्हलपिंग कंट्रीजमध्ये आम्ही येतो. वी आर वन अमंग द डेव्हलपिंग कंट्रीज. सो what I'm trying to tell you is की some harmful chemicals which will completely destroy the human race हे डेव्हलप कंट्रीज मध्ये बॅन्ड आहे. बट डेव्हलपिंग कंट्रीज मध्ये असे सिमिलर केमिकल्स अँड इवन इन पुअर कंट्रीज दे आर स्टील अंडर ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन. डे बाय डे त्यांचं प्रोडक्शन होतं. दिस इज वन. ही झाला ही एक पेज झाली ती वेअर सेव्हरल दीज पॉइंट्स आर गिवन लाईक मदर अर्थ has been facing disaster, especially in the Asiatic continent and Pacific Ocean. Why these disasters have been occurred particularly in these areas? Because of the greed of human beings. Second, third is economic. What you can say here? Particularly after World War II, increase in migration. There is increase in migration of the people, due to which there is increase in population and the increase in demand as per the increase in some countries. Then there are other issues like war is there is terrorism is there, then there is abduction म्हणजे चोरी, लोकांची चोरी केली जाते, स्लेवरी केली जाते. All these are another issues which have been particularly coming into existence only after World War II. World War II च्या अगोदर म्हणजे 1945 बिफोर दॅट वर्ल्डमध्ये एवढे इश्यूज नव्हते जेवढे आता दिसत आहेत तुम्हाला. That's it. This is one. The next paragraph, what does it say? They have given some caricature and all. Some school had been destroyed in some village which was completely embedded in the earth and all. What is the next paragraph saying? Concentrate now. The another threat to human beings which they have created on their own, no? They can naturally create केलेली आहे. Another threat nowadays is use of atomic energy. You know what happened? The radiation leakage due to blast occurred in the atomic energy plant, particularly in the Chernobyl in Russia. Students, हे एक small little town है in Russia, which is called Chernobyl. There occurred a blast, and due to that blast, the walls developed cracked, and the radiation started penetrating through those walls, and they were liberated out, causing huge genetic disorders to human beings surrounding the surrounding areas. Till today they are facing these problems, students. एक झालं. पण ते त्यावेळेची गोष्ट होती. दिस इज इन द इयर 1965 or 66. आता everywhere, every nation, every country has an atomic energy plant, and due to which there is continuously leakage of radiation due to carelessness of human beings. मुलांनो, हे त्यामुळे डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे हे आता एक मोठा डिझास्टर आहे. हा डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट हॅज बिकम अ मेन पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन ऑफ द कंट्री. म्हणजे डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट हा एक कंट्रीचा एक इम्पॉर्टंट ड्युटी झाली आहे, हाऊ टू मॅनेज इट. अँड बिकॉज इट्स डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द सिटीजन्स ऑफ द कंट्री, अँड इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट since it is related to the every citizen of the country, it's important that citizens should participate in that disaster. One thing. हे झाला हा paragraph. Next paragraph, what does it say? Students, disaster may be of long duration, may be of short duration, may be of producing a small effect or large effect. Disaster may be of that sort, but it has an impact on the human beings. Okay, one thing. So it's necessary that every citizen should be trained to face disaster, to control disaster, or at least achieve the abilities to minimize it. किमान त्याचा इफेक्ट कसं करू शकतो आपण. That is what is the main criteria of this disaster here. That is this entire page. The next page now. Next page, what they have given here. The next page, what they have given is, pre-disaster and post-disaster management. Students, तुम्ही काय करा, तुम्ही ते वाचून घ्या. pre-disaster आणि post-disaster management. Pre-disaster management मध्ये काय येतं? Warnings given, alertness, okay, well preparedness, disaster committee established असते, intensity of disasters through maps, through surveys, intensity maps and all that. सर्वे केला जातो. This is one. Post disaster management म्हणजे once the disaster has occurred, what we are going to do? We are going to first of all build important health camps where first aid is given to the victims. Then try to minimize the debris टेक प्रॉपर हेल्प ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट. मी तुम्हाला एक पॉईंट सांगते स्टुडंट्स, प्री डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट आणि पोस्ट डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट हे पॅरेग्राफ्स असे डिफरन्सेसच्या फॉर्ममध्ये टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये दिले आहे, ते नीट वाचा आणि ते बाहेर करा. ठीक आहे. आफ्टर दिस आय टेक इन द नेक्स्ट पिरियड. थोडं डिस्टर्बन्स आलेलं आहे पावसाचा. ओके. येस. बाय. विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट पिरियड स्टुडंट.